Hey, I'm Dana, and this is Yoga Before Coffee. Today we're gonna look at the basics of getting into Warrior Two. So you're gonna start by stepping your feet wider than your hips. Press the weight into the outer arch of your back foot and allow the inner arch to reach up. Then press down through the big toe. That activates the entire back leg. Then press weight into the heel of your front foot, pivot your toes. Yeah, and then again, glue into the outer edge, press down through the big toe. From here, squeeze your belly in, hands on the hips, bend into your front knee. Nice, so this back leg is nice and straight, this front knee is bending. Then squeeze the inner thigh on the back leg up towards your belly button and press down towards the outer heel. That's gonna activate this entire back leg. Bend deeply into the front leg. Nice. Now stack the rest of your spine. Pull your ribs in line over your hips. Reach your fingers out wide. Send your gaze over your middle front finger. Squeeze the shoulder blades in and back and reach forward through your fingers. Deep breath in. Sink low, breath out. One more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, press the floor away, hands to hips. Come to stand. Nice work.